Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Vlogmas, and today's video is gonna be like a little mini morning routine. Also, I'm showing you guys, taking along with some of the stores I went to. So now I'm back at home. It is 5:35 and I need to get my room together, put new sheets on the bed, and I need to vacuum, and then I need to finish editing a video. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. This pile of laundry right here, I felt like I didn't wash clothes at all last week. I think with the holidays and stuff coming up, I wasn't paying attention. So right now I have the towels and stuff in the washing machine, so I'm gonna wash that. I wore this jacket out earlier and I was being greedy and got food on it, so I need to wash that. And then these are my daughter's New Balance shoes I need to give back to her. And this is a little bit of a OOT where this is a bodysuit that's under this. I got that from Walmart. Target from vest and pants are from H&M. I don't really remember where I got these boots from. They're Steve Madden, but I've had them for at least a year and I really don't remember. Show you guys something. So I was a part of a small groups that just wrapped up at my church. Hold on, my video that I was editing is now uploaded. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm back. So yeah, the small groups end up getting me, they got us several things, but they got this Bible study journal. I don't know where they may have gotten it from, but one thing that I really like about it is that it has the SOAP method as journaling. I just love that because that is definitely something that I use in terms of if I do some type of Bible study lesson or just reading my Bible and a scripture pops out at me. I love using this method. I actually just use a regular notebook, but I just thought this was so pretty and so thoughtful. And then the other thing is that they got me was these little cards where you pick a color on what type of mood that you're feeling. It says, "The joy of the Lord is your strength. Read me when you feel happy, thankful, angry, anxious, lonely, or sad." And they're color coded, and each each piece of paper has a Bible verse listed. And I thought it was so sweet. I actually been seeing these and I was like, oh, that's a really cool idea. And one of my daughters, she saw them, she really wants one, so I'm gonna she already knows, but I'm gonna get these for them for stocking stuffers. So I thought these were so cute and so thoughtful. I'm very appreciative when people do stuff because people don't have to do anything. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get back to cleaning my room. Oh, let me show you my little Ulta haul. So for the most part, I'll make sure I'm recording. I'm trying to learn how to do silk presses at home better for one of my daughters. Her hair is just a different texture. It's more of like a soft, finer texture. Her roots to me kind of frizz up quickly anytime I do it. And recently when I've been taking her to like the professional, her scalp flakes up really bad. And it's just like, you already spending over $100 doing her hair, and I just don't feel like paying that much, and then 2 or 3 days later I have to wash it because her scalp flaked. I don't know, but I think it's something else going on. But needless to say, I ended up seeing someone else do a routine with the Paul Mitchell line. So I'm just trying this Paul Mitchell shampoo too. It's a clarifying shampoo, and then I'm trying I've tried this Paul Mitchell line, the instant moisturizer. I don't know if you guys can see that. I remember trying this before, and this stuff ain't cheap. But I remember trying a bigger bottle, and that was like $30 by itself. But my best friend does hair professionally. But I remember when she was in school, she told me about the instant moisturizer, and I went ahead and went back to this, and we'll just make sure we deep condition with it. But the young lady who was doing her doing a silk press, she recommended these two products. And then I picked up the Low Dry. It's the Kendra Low Dry Spray. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully you guys can see it. This little girl, like, some of these prices be expensive, but anywho, I'm gonna try those three because I really want to master that for her, especially the weather's getting cooler, so I wouldn't mind pressing her hair out as much. But I was gonna do it this weekend, but she said she can just keep it curly for the week, and they only have like 3 more weeks of school left anyway. And then of course I went back and picked up some more of my lactic acid, the Ordinary. So I got these items, but that's my little Ulta haul. I ended up doing that, I don't remember what day we went out there to do that. It was either Friday or Saturday. But yeah, and then one last thing, I got a new pillow cover from my room. It's a pink Merry Christmas pillow because in the room I have mainly pink and white Christmas decor, and I just put it over. It didn't close all the way. It was kind of hard to zip it all the way, but I just put it over that brown pillowcase that I had. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, less than 10 bucks. And if you're interested in it, I can just link it down below for you. But yeah, I kind of wanted to show you guys my little haul that I did. And I'm still waiting on the Target packages because I did do some Black Friday shopping through Target. And once everything gets in, I'll do a little haul for you guys because I feel like I got some really cute pieces. So I'm excited about that. I think Target might have been the only place I shopped. I really can't remember. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. right now I'm just washing my towels and washcloths, so I'm gonna go get some of the girls and add to mine so it's not just a small load that's being washed. I'll be right back. They didn't have a lot, so I'm just gonna add the rest. Alright, so I'm done with that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and bring some other loads out here, and then I'm gonna vacuum, and that's gonna be it for the night. Do this load, and this is the pile where I'm not going to dry. I'm just gonna hang dry all of these. So I'm gonna wash the sheets, put that in the dryer after the towels get done, and then I'm gonna wash this pile and I'll hang dry when they get done. So that's done. And the other pile that I have, that's gonna be the ones that I wash and dry. So I'm gonna actually have, I wanna do one thing. So guys, I ended up putting the lights on my, I don't know why I can't get out of wanting to put something on this headboard, but I don't think I like the way it looks. It's cute, but you know how you have the lights, I guess y'all can't see it, it's not evenly distributed because of the length. So what I think I might do is put it over my mirror. Hopefully I'm looking in the camera, I don't know. I'm still trying to get used to this vlogging stuff, guys. So let's try the mirror. That might be okay. We'll leave it there for now and see what it looks like. So let me know, let's go get the vacuum and we'll get that done. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys are somewhat enjoying the Vlogmas. I'm trying my best to record a little bit more content outside of cleaning if that's something you're interested in. But let's take a quick view of me cleaning after I got done. I love vacuum lines. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.